Hi, if you're new to the Zoho CRM or you have been using for a while, but you still don't know if you should use the layout or the layout rules to hide and show field sections in your modules, this video is for you. This is Alex Vaz at Cornerstone Solutions. I'm going to show you why I normally would recommend you to use layout rules instead of layouts when you build and design your Zoho CRM. Let's start first, like showing you what structure I have here. Let's start with the layouts. Let's click the gear at the top right. Then let's click on modules and fields. Then we go to leads. I only created these two layouts here for now. Let's click in one of them. Sales one has the sales extra info, and I create a field for related to the sales one. Let's say sales two. You have these fields for sales two, a section here. And for the standard, which I'm going to be talking at the end, I have the two sections inside. I normally would only recommend, even though I would need to analyze it case by case, to use layouts here if you have like very different structures in your organization, let's say divisions, that you would like to isolate them from each other. That could be an option. Other than that, I would recommend going for the layout rules. And I'm going to show you how it works. In this case here, what I did, I took like the sales one, I added the permission that only the sales one, the profile sales one, would be able to see it. And here in this case, only the profile sales two would be able to see this layout. Negative side of this structure here, when you create, let's go to a lead, open one here. If I have profile sales one, in this case here, I have admin, okay, I can see both. But if I had here like I'm sales one, I would only see this section. It would work fine because it's related to my profile. It wouldn't be a problem. But let's say your company is growing or you need to add more fields here and fields in the sales 1 and 2, you would need to go and edit on both. It means it double your work about managing the modules, the layouts here. Also, if you're creating custom functions, workflows, you need to specify which layout it would work for. It means you would need to double your effort, to automate and make things happen. But now let's go to the layout rules, which is something that sometimes people don't even know when they begin, because it's very intuitive from beginning to create your layouts here. But you can come here, we have this standard. Let's turn off these two here. And we would move all the profiles to standard. And when we turn off the other one, we would move all to standard. This is my demo, it means I don't have either of those for now. We would go and create a layout rule here based on, let's say, sales type. We have I created this field here, record type. The record type, let's put here, is sales one. We start with that. And we will have here, trigger an action. It shows section. You can show field, set mandatory, but we're going to show section because they already put them all together. We're going to put show sales, extra info, and save. Then you have choose another option. We're going to put is sales two, done. And we go and add the section for sales two. Now let's go back to the leads. Let's take an existing lead here. And the lead, you see, it's not showing either of them because the lead record is empty. But if you choose Sales 1, it will go and show the Sales 1 section. If you choose Sales 2, it shows the Sales 2 section. You can pretty much customize your whole layout with this layout rules. In this case here, you can associate this record type to the owners. If they are, it could be location, territories, you could do based on different fields here. But once you choose them, you can go and associate this layout rule with a group of people in your organization. It makes it easier for you to manage the module because you only need one place to edit. If you're doing your custom functions, your workflows, and everything is going to be associated with this module. And in the case leads is very straightforward because if we go here, it was only layout and we go to the modules and we click here in leads. If you go to conversion mapping, you have, once you have the layouts active, you could go and choose here which one would go through the path. But once you start to have different layouts for different accounts, you will need to create a path for each one. It means it creates an extra process, another process about mapping fields. Overall, I think layouts only create extra work for your process. Layout rules, I would say, most of the time can achieve all your needs for your organization. If you have more questions about layout rules, layouts, and how it works, or you have questions about Zoho CRM or any other application, the Zoho one, contact us. It would be a pleasure to talk to you. Have a nice day.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.